Do you love beer as much as we do? Well, today is your lucky day because we're going to show you the step-by-step process of brewing the beer from scratch. Here are the procedures. Sanitize everything. Ensure that all your equipment is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to prevent contamination. This is crucial for a successful fermentation. Steeping barley. Soaking barley in water to initiate germination. Barley absorbs water, activates enzymes, and breaks starch into fermentable sugars for brewing and flavor. Brewing barley involves adding starch and enzymes. During malting, raw cereal grains are soaked in water, allowed to germinate, and then dried with hot air to produce malt. Malt is the primary ingredient used in brewing, providing the raw material for creating wort. Lautering. Lautering separates wet grains from liquid wort. It's a key step in brewing, using a lauter tun. Spent grains are drained, wort extracted, then boiled and fermented for beer later. Boil the wort. Start by heating water in your large pot. When it's warm but not boiling, add your malt extract. Stir to dissolve it completely. Once dissolved, bring it to a boil. This mixture is called wort. Wort is a liquid. It is the result of mashing the malt and separating the liquid from the solid grain material. Add hops. Add hops to the boiling wort. The type of hops and the timing of their addition can vary depending on the beer style you want to make. Follow the recipe. Cool the wort. After boiling, quickly cool the wort to around 70-75 degrees Fahrenheit, 21-24 degrees Celsius. You can use a wort chiller or place the pot in an ice bath. Pitch yeast. Transfer the cooled wort to the fermentation vessel. Pitch. Add the yeast. Seal the vessel with an airlock and stopper. This allows carbon dioxide to escape while preventing contaminants from getting in. Fermentation. Place the vessel in a cool, dark area, typically around 65-75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18-24 degrees Celsius. The yeast will ferment the sugars, converting them into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This primary fermentation can take 1 to 2 weeks. Lagering. Lagering ages beer at near freezing temps for weeks or months. It refines flavors, clarifies, and gives lagers their clean, crisp taste by settling unwanted compounds, improving overall quality. Filtering. This process removes impurities and solid particles, making the end product clearer and purer. Testing and tasting the beer. Transfer and bottling. After primary fermentation, transfer the beer to a bottling bucket, leaving behind the sediment at the bottom. Add priming sugar to the beer to facilitate carbonation. Bottle the beer and seal the bottles with caps. Secondary fermentation, optional. Some brewers choose to have a secondary fermentation in a clean, sanitized container for a few weeks to allow flavors to mature and clarify. Aging. Allow the beer to age for at least 2 weeks, though some styles benefit from longer aging. Enjoy. After patiently aging the beer to perfection, bottling it, chilling the bottles in the refrigerator and enjoy beer.